Hello YouTube, the Too Cools 2. I'm doing a weather video for the thunderstorms and move over to Tri-State between August 22nd, oh look at that, 23rd, 2017. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. And I say between 22nd and 23rd because it just passed midnight. It's approximately 12:15 in the morning. As you guys just saw, that was a flash of lightning right there. Again, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. Sorry about that. I wanted you guys to hear the lightning, the thunder. So yeah, the storms have at least approximately been in New York since 10:45 this evening, and it's now 12:15. So it's been going on for about an hour and a half now. I see a pretty heavy rain. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. I can see it's pretty heavy. This time I had my umbrella with me so I could walk out for a bit. I have to be careful though, because you know, I believe it's not safe to hold an umbrella during a thunderstorm. The temperature is 73 right now. It's cooled off. Today is very hot. Oh, look at that. Very hot and very humid. It was in the lower 90s. The humidity made it feel much hotter in the upper 90s. It's not that windy. You have the, I don't know if you guys can see the tree blowing around there. It's not that windy. The wind is occasionally gusting, you know, this happens during a thunderstorm. Now you see, I don't know if you guys can see the rain is actually being pushed by the wind, so I guess it's pretty gusty. Yeah, see, look at that. You can hear it too. See, I'm trying to hold the umbrella on the other hand, so it's hard for me to zoom in. Maybe I'll just approach the street here. So I have my umbrella. Let me just get a better grip on the phone. You guys can see the blowing rain. Try not to shine it directly at the light, because it looks like it's way too bright. As you see, it's blowing. It's pretty heavy. These storms are expected to go on throughout the night. I know at least severe thunderstorms I just read will end at about 3 a.m. in the morning, and the rain is probably going to linger off from there on until, you know, early morning, 5-6 o'clock. The rain's calming down a bit. It was pouring before. I couldn't go down. I was trying to take care of something on my computer, but let me see if I can zoom here. Picking up again. Maybe just the wind. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty heavy rain. So stay indoors, stay safe. Obviously, I'm not indoors. I'm right next to my home. But no, best to stay safe. Stay inside. Unplug electronics. I don't want to damage it. You know, you have surge protectors and whatnot. So, don't want to take a risk. Maybe try to unzoom here. Again, I have a giant umbrella in my hand, so it's hard. Oh, look at that. Before it was much more active lightning. Not much more, but it was definitely more than it is now. Now it's just occasional flash here and there. Occasional rumble of thunder. Before the thunder was really loud. It was big flashes too. Sitting next to my computer, I just saw a huge light. Alright YouTube, I think I'm going to end the video here. There's nothing else to really show. Yeah, thanks for watching. Check out more of my weather videos right here on my channel. Rate, comment, subscribe if you're new. And I think that's pretty much it. I'll just pan around for a bit more. Let me just go on the street. I usually do that. I haven't done it yet. Streets are pretty quiet. It's like 1 or 2 cars down there. It's got cars just parking. No one out. Quiet, usual stormy night. Alright, Tube. Until next time, again, stay safe, stay indoors. It's late by now, so I assume the majority are sleeping. Some good rest. We'll see you guys next time. See ya.